After spending time with the Lectric XP 3.0, I have to say that while it offers a lot for the price on the surface, the actual riding and ownership experience left much to be desired. One of the biggest and most immediate drawbacks is the weight. This bike is marketed as foldable and portable, but at around 64 pounds, it's anything but. Carrying it upstairs or trying to lift it into a car or public transport is extremely inconvenient. The folding mechanism, while functional, is not user-friendly, feels stiff, awkward, and takes more effort than it should. Once folded, the bike is still bulky and heavy, which defeats the purpose of having a compact e-bike. Moving on to build quality, there are clear signs of cost-cutting. Some parts feel cheap or fragile, and the overall ride experience lacks polish. The ride feels rough, especially on uneven terrain, and there's noticeable rattling from the frame and accessories during rides. The key placement is odd and difficult to reach, especially when the bike is folded, and the charging port is awkwardly located, making it a hassle to plug in without bending or maneuvering the bike in uncomfortable ways. I also encountered electrical inconsistencies, especially with the battery indicator, which was unreliable and often gave different readings mid-ride. That's a huge issue if you're planning longer trips and need to rely on accurate battery info. The motor, while decently powerful on paper, doesn't always deliver smooth or responsive acceleration. There's a lag in throttle response, and pedaling with assistance feels unbalanced at times. For those used to more refined e-bike systems, this will be noticeable and frustrating. One of the most concerning issues, however, is safety-related. The Lectric XP 3.0 was subject to a recall in 2023 due to faulty mechanical disc brakes, which had the potential to cause serious accidents. Although the company provided repair kits and reimbursements, it raises legitimate concerns about overall quality control and safety standards. Personally, I experienced some brake squeaking and a lack of consistent stopping power, even after adjustments. Lastly, the customer service experience was hit or miss. While Lectric has a decent reputation among budget e-bike fans, my interactions weren't very reassuring. It took a long time to get responses, and the help I received felt scripted and limited. It doesn't inspire much confidence when you're relying on the company for technical or warranty support. In summary, while the Lectric XP 3.0 looks like a great deal on paper, especially with all the features it includes at a low price point, the reality is that it's full of compromises. Between the excessive weight, poor folding design, rattling build, weak brakes, questionable quality control, and lackluster support, it just doesn't hold up well in day-to-day use. If you're looking for a reliable, polished e-bike that you can count on for the long haul, I'd strongly recommend looking elsewhere, even if it means spending a bit more upfront.